Hello students, today we are going to start Maths 1's fourth chapter, Application of Derivatives. Derivatives have a wide range of applications in everyday life that you know already. In this chapter, we shall discuss geometrical and physical significance of derivatives and some of their applications such as equation of tangent and normal at a point on the curve, rate measure in physical field, approximate values of functions and extreme values of a function. Now in this lecture, today we start equation of tangent and normal. So to find equation of tangent and normal, your first step is you have to differentiate given function with respect to x. Means this is what your y dash or f dash x. Okay, suppose function is in the form of y, so you have to find y dash. Now after that, in front of that curve, equation of curve, a point is given, so you have to find dy by dx at that point. Means suppose that point is AB, so when your derivative means dy by dx is in the form of x, y. So in case of x, when x is present in dy by dx, then instead of x we put a. When y is present in dy by dx, then instead of y we put b. Means you have to find dy by dx at that point. Suppose that point is AB. This is your slope of tangent. Okay, after that, so this is slope of tangent, and now using this slope you have to find equation of tangent using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That x1 y1 is what? AB. Okay, and m is what? Your slope of tangent. Okay, now equation of tangent is complete. Now next step is you have to find slope of normal. So slope of normal is what? Minus 1 upon slope of tangent. So slope of tangent is, suppose slope of tangent is m, then your slope of normal is what? Minus 1 upon m. Okay, and after that you have to find equation of normal using the same formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. But here x1 y1 is as it is AB, but here m is what? Different. That m is slope of normal, not slope of tangent. Here you have to find equation of normal, so you have to take slope of normal. When you have to find equation of tangent, in that case you have to put m value is what? Slope of tangent. When equation of normal you have to find, then in that case you have to put m value as slope of normal. Okay, let's start your exercise 4.1. In this, your first question is find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve at the given point on it. Curve is given here, y is equal to 3x square minus x plus 1, and point is given at 1, 3. Okay, now your first step is what? You have to differentiate y with respect to x. So differentiating y with respect to x, we get it become dy by dx. 3 2 is 6x square, 6x minus derivative of x is what? 1, and derivative of 1 is what? 0. So I write here 6x minus 1 only. Now your second step is what? You have to put the point dy by dx at point 1, 3. So instead of x we put 1. So 6 into 1 minus 1 is as it is. Y is absent in dy by dx, so no need to put 3 value, to put 3 value. Okay, then 6 into 1 6 minus 1 is equal to what? 5. This is what your slope of tangent. The slope of tangent at 1, 3 is what? 5. Okay, now using this slope you have to find equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Your x1 y1 is what? This is your x1 y1, and slope is what? This is your slope. Okay, now y minus y1 is what? 3 is equal to m is what? 5. 5 into x minus x1 is what? 1. So 5 into x minus 1. Do the multiplication, it is 5x minus 5. Bring this 5x, not 5x, this y in this side. First of all, we bring 3 in this side, then y is equal to 5x minus 5 plus 3. So 5x minus 2, and bring this y in this side, then 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 is your equation of tangent. Half portion is complete. Now go to slope of normal. Now the slope of normal is what? Minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Your slope of tangent is what? 5. So minus 1 upon 5. Now using this, you have to find equation of normal. So therefore, equation of normal at 1, 3 having slope minus 1, 5 is y minus y1. y1 is what? 3, m is what? Minus 1 by 5, and x minus x1 is what? 1. Put the values. Y minus 3 equal to minus 1 by 5 into x minus 1. Bring this 5 in this side, then it is multiplied. 5 into y minus 3 is equal to, do the multiplication with minus 1. So minus x minus minus become plus 1. Then do the multiplication. 5y minus 15. Bring this x and 1 in this side, plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now your equation of normal is what? X plus 5y minus 16. 15 minus 15 minus 1 is minus 16 equal to 0. This is your equation of normal. I hope you understood this. It is easy. Okay? Understood? This part is easy to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. Your first step is what? You have to differentiate given curve. Then after differentiation, you got dy by dx. You have to find dy by dx. At that point, this is your slope of slope of tangent. Now using y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, you have to find equation of tangent. After that, using slope of tangent, you have to find slope of normal, that is minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Okay, and using this slope, you have to find equation of normal. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, now go to our second question. Our second question is what? Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x square plus 5, where the tangent is parallel to the line 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now here, instead of point, they give one equation of line. In first question, point is given, but instead of point, they give 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 as line. But equation of curve is given, that curve is y is equal to x square plus 5. Okay. So when equation of curve is given, you have to differentiate this curve with respect to x. So our first step is what? Again, differentiating y with respect to x. We get, after differentiation, you got dy by dx equal to, our equation is what? X square plus 5. So derivative of x square is what? 2x, and derivative of 5 is 0, so 2x. And this is your slope of tangent, correct? Dy by dx at that point, but point is not given here. So this 2x is your slope of tangent. Now here our aim is what? You have to find value of x. When you find value of x, put here, and then you got slope of tangent. And using this slope of tangent, you have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. Okay, so what is given? A line is given. So your line, equation of line is what? Given that equation of line is 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. First you have to find here slope of that line. Slope of curve and slope of line, these are two different. So here you have to find slope of line. So first of all, you have to compare this line. Comparing this with, this means what? This line with general equation of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. After comparison, value of a is what? 4, value of b is what? Minus 1, and value of c is what? 1. So we get a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to 1. Now you have formula, slope of line is equal to minus a upon b. It is the standard formula to find slope of line. Okay, put the values here. A is what? 4. This minus sign is as it is, and b is what? Minus 1. So minus minus become plus. So your slope of line is what? 4. But this is not slope of tangent. This is slope of line. Slope of tangent is remaining. So since tangent and given line is parallel. In question they given that where the tangent is parallel to the line. So slope of line and slope of tangent are parallel है, given that the equation of tangent and given line is parallel, so their slopes are equal. So slope of tangent is what? 2x, and slope of line is what? 4. So 2x is equal to 4 and you got x is equal to 2. Okay, now you put here that 2 value here. This is your slope of tangent. So putting x is equal to 2 in equation of curve, we get y is equal to x square plus 5 is your equation of curve. Okay, so we put 2 instead of x, 2 square plus 5, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So your point become, in first question point is given, correct? That point is what? 1 3, but here point is not given, so you have to first find point. Okay, coordinates of point. So xy is equal to 2 9. This x is 2 and y is what? 9. Now slope of tangent, this is your slope of tangent. So slope of tangent is what? 2x. So 2 into x is equal to 2 into x is what? 2. So 2 into 2 is what? 4. Now using this slope of tangent you find equation of tangent using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. But here x1 y1 is what? x1 y1 is what? 2 1. Here xy is given, so x1 y1 is what? 2 9. So y minus y1, y1 is what? 9. So y minus 9 is equal to m. M is what? 4 into x minus x1. x1 is what? 2. So x minus 2. Do the multiplication. Y minus 9 is equal to 4x minus 8. Now bring this y and 9 in this side. So it becomes 4x minus y plus 9 minus 8. Plus 9 minus 8 is what? 1. So 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is equation of tangent. Okay. Now again using this you have to find equation of normal. So to find equation of normal we need slope of normal. So we first find slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Okay. So slope of tangent is what? Minus 1 upon 4. Slope of tangent is 4. Minus 1 upon 4. So equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to x into m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is what? 9. y1 is 9 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. M is minus 1 upon 4 into x minus 2. Bring this 4 in this side. So it is multiplied. 4 into y minus 9 is equal to, do the multiplication, minus x plus 2. Do the multiplication here. 4y minus 36. Bring this x and 2 in this side. It become plus minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 4y minus 38 equal to 0 is equation of normal. Okay, and last question of exercise 4.1 is what? Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to 3x square minus 3x minus 5, where the tangent is parallel to the line 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. But refer your question number 2 here. Same question is asked in question number 2. So here only you have to do what to do, that I will explain here. You have to differentiate this with respect to x. So you got dy by dx is equal to 6x minus 3. Okay. Now this is your slope of tangent. Okay. Now equation of line is given. Compare this line with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And using this you have to find slope of line. Slope of line is what? Minus a upon b. A is what? 3. Minus 3 upon b is minus 1. So slope of line is what? 3. And again what is given? Parallel. So slope of tangent and slope of line are equal. It is 3 and here it is what? 6x minus 3. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Not cancelled, becomes 6. And using this you can find the value of x. X, when you got x, you put this value of x in equation of curve, you got y, and using this point you have to find equation of tangent and normal. Understood all of you? I hope you understood. Okay, we stop here.